Hey, welcome to my channel. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to make a baked stuffed shrimp. All right, so stay tuned. All right, let's go through these ingredients. Right here we have crab meat, some crushed Ritz crackers, some jumbo shrimp, some Worcestershire sauce, some chopped parsley, chopped garlic, unsalted butter, some diced tomatoes, some lemon, some chopped scallions, some fresh thyme, some salt, pepper, Old Bay seasoning, some mayonnaise, and that's all your ingredients right there. All right, let's get to it. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the stuffing. All right, so going in with my tomatoes, and these aren't really for flavor; they're just more so for color. Some fresh chopped parsley, not all of it. Going some chopped scallions or green onion. Going in with some fresh chopped garlic. Going in with my thyme, cracked black pepper, a little bit of salt, Old Bay seasoning, going in with my breadcrumbs, going in with some lemon juice, going in with some mayonnaise, and a couple splashes of Worcestershire sauce. All right, just wait for my butter to melt. All right, that's all melted. I'm just gonna mix this. What I'm trying to do is I just want to make sure I can get it to bind together. Go and mix with my hands. A little bit more breadcrumbs. I'm going to use the rest of them. And because this isn't a jumbo lump, it's okay to mix it real good. If this was jumbo lump and I was making crab cakes, I would be a lot more gentle with this. Even though this is still going to make a good crab cake, but for the flavor, but not for the look. When you're making quality crab cakes, you want to use jumbo lump or something called back fin, which is basically jumbo lump, but it's when some of the lumps have broken up. So it's a little bit cheaper than the jumbo lump, but just as good. All right, let me give this a taste. Taste is good, a little bit more butter. All right, so that's it. This is ready. The crab meat stuffing. Now on to the shrimp. So these are jumbo shrimp, 13, 15. And basically what that means is when you see numbers like 16, 16, 20 or 13, 15, that basically means you get 13 to 15 of these per pound. All right. If you see 16, 20, that means you get 16 to 20 shrimp per pound. Then you got 25, 30, which is like a medium shrimp, and so on and so forth. So I'm peeling them. You know, this is something that if you don't know how to do, you know, basically you just want to, well, I already started this one, so let me go on to the next one. So basically you want to do is try to find the gap on the bottom and just push the shell off. All right, everybody got different ways of doing it, but this is the way I learned and been doing it like this for like 30 years. Just push the gap off. Push the shell off from where the legs are at. Just peel it off. Next thing you want to do is split the shrimp open. And this isn't just only for deveining, but this is for how we're going to form the shrimp. But then you do have some vein that you have to take out. So let me just rinse that. All right. On to the next one. Just for presentation purposes, I always kind of fan out the tail if I'm able to. All right. Set this here like that. So the side that you split open, that's the side that's going to go on the bottom. All right. Side that you split open, that goes on the bottom. So I just put a little pan spray in here to keep it from sticking. All right. All right, now I'm gonna hit it with the crab meat. Just use a small ice cream scoop to make the balls. And I'm going with a hefty amount. And you can easily just do this with your hand if you don't have an ice cream scoop. But the reason I'm using the ice cream scoop so I can just kind of get the same amount in each one. That's the way I used to do it. You know, working in restaurants most of my life. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is just gonna push the tail on top. All right, so just gonna put a little bit of melted butter on each one. Now they're gonna go into a 450 degree preheated oven for about 10 minutes. All right, here we go. Crab meat stuffed shrimp. All right. Make sure you can see this. All right. So you just want to get it a little bit toasty on top. So let's plate this up real quick. Put the sauce on the bottom. What I did was I just made a little lemon sauce, a lemon beurre blanc, a little white wine, butter, heavy cream, little lemon pepper seasoning, and lemon juice. Get a little sauce on top.
A little bit of scallions, just for some color. A little chopped parsley, just for some aromatics. All right, and just a little bit of a little wedge of lemon. Baked stuffed shrimp with the crab meat stuffing. All right. So once again, thank you for coming to the channel. I hope you tried this recipe. Once again, this is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. All right. Jumbo stuffed shrimp with crab meat stuffing and a lemon sauce. All right. So, thanks for coming to the channel. Try the recipe out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And also smash the like button. So, it's going to help me out with YouTube. On that note, I say God bless, stay safe, and let's keep cooking. Peace.